continuation of Math 111 Module 3, the second part of the video, the chain rule. Chain rule is very simple. U power n derivative. X power n derivative is n x power n minus 1. U power n derivative is n u power n minus 1. Anything other than x, you should also write an extra u prime. So u power n derivative is n u power n minus 1 multiply u prime. Suppose you take x plus 1 whole cube derivative. Here this is not x plus 1 this is not x cube, this is x plus 1 whole cube. So other than x, you have to write x, u cube derivative, that is x plus 1 whole cube derivative is 3x plus 1 whole square. Multiply this x plus 1 derivative, you should write extra. Anything other than x, you should write that x plus 1 derivative here. So 3x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 derivative is 1, x derivative is 1, 1 derivative is 0. This is the answer. Suppose sin x derivative is cos x. So in this case, sin u derivative is cos u multiply u prime, because anything other than x, you should write its derivative extra. So let us take 3x plus 1 whole square. So 3x plus 1 whole square means this looks like u square. This looks like u square. So the answer will be 2u into u prime, the derivative. 2u means 3x plus 1 multiply 3x plus 1 derivative. This you will forget mostly. Don't forget it. So 2 3x plus 1, 3x derivative is 3. Multiply, you get 6 this one. So let us see this. Root x square plus 1 derivative is x square plus 1 to the power half, that is u power half. Us gabil, us naga swahad, multiply u derivative. U derivative is x square plus 1. U derivative is x square plus 1 derivative. And on simplification, you get this one. I already told you that root x derivative is 1 over 2 root x. Root x derivative is 1 over 2 root x. In the same way, let us see this. Gx derivative is this, you read it as root something derivative. Root x square plus 1 is root something derivative, root something. So g dash x, the derivative will be, root something derivative is 1 over 2 root something into something derivative, that is x square plus 1 derivative. So the answer will be 1 over 2 root, answer will be 1 over 2 root x square plus 1 into multiply x square plus 1 derivative is 2x. X square plus 1 derivative is 2x. 1 over 2 root something means x square plus 1. This 2 and this 2 cancel. See the answer, same answer, you get it. So it is quite simple if you remember as root something derivative. See this, root x derivative is 1 over 2 root x. Root u derivative is 1 over 2 root u multiply u prime. Anything other than x, you should add extra u prime. So this you read it as root u derivative is 1 over 2 root u multiply u derivative, 2 root u. So otherwise you do the traditional way, us gabil, us naga swahad, and this multiply and then bring minus into the plus down like this. Here this is 4x square minus 2 whole square. You don't have formula for x in the denominator. You have to bring this x in the numerator, then only those formulas will work. So you cannot have formula when x is in the denominator. So 4x square minus 1, 7 to the power minus 2. That is u power minus 2. What is the formula? Minus us gabil, us naga swahad, multiply u derivative, 4x square minus 7 derivative. So minus 2 sawa, 4x square minus 7, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 4x square derivative is 4 multiply 2x, minus 7 derivative is 0. So this is how much? 2 multiply 4, 8x. 8x multiply minus 2 minus 16x. 4x square minus 7 minus 3, you cannot leave it up, bring it down, that is plus. So this is the same thing here. See, root of something derivative. Root of something derivative is 1 over 2 root something multiply something derivative. Root u derivative, inside you call it as u, root u derivative is 1 over 2 root u multiply u derivative. This u, you should write it here, u derivative. So what is this derivative? 2x square derivative is 4x minus 2. So 4x minus 2 over 2 root x square. 2 cancels 2 times and then 2x minus 1 by this. Again 1 over 2 root 2x minus 3. You cannot have derivative when x or t is in the denominator. You have to bring it up and then find the derivative. Here see this is in the numerator. Denominator here is 1. Here 1 is our numerator, denominator is something. You cannot have the derivative when x is in the denominator. You have to bring it up. So 2t minus 3, jadar means half. That half, when you are bringing it to the up, it will become minus half. Us gabil, us naga swahad, 2t minus 3 derivative. Whose Gabil, whose Nagaswahat, 2t minus 3 derivative. N u power n minus 1 multiply u prime. Don't forget the formula. Minus half 2t minus 3 minus 3 over 2. 2t derivative 2 minus 3 derivative 0. This 2 and this 2 will cancel. So minus 2t minus 3 to the power 3 by 2. So minus 1 over. You cannot have minus in the power. So bring it down. Here see this. I will tell you more simple way. Ft is equal to 5t cube plus 2t square minus t plus 4 whole power minus 3. So this read it as something. Don't see inside. Something to the power minus 3. Whose Gabel, whose Nagaswahat. Don't see here. The same thing here will come here. The same thing will come again here. The same thing derivative. Whose Gabel, whose Nagaswahat multiply whatever quantity you write here. The same thing should write here derivative. That is this. This is u. This is your u. So minus 3, this you write it here again, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, and its derivative you write it here. What is its derivative here? 15t square, see this, minus plus 4t, see this, minus 1, see this, 4 derivative 0, this is the answer. Because I don't want to leave minus 4 in the up, bring it down, that's it, bring it down. So minus 3 multiply 15t square plus 4t minus 1 divided by 5t square divided by 5t cube plus 2t square minus t to the power plus 4. This 4 you bring it down, this will be plus 4. Okay? So that way it will be easy. So remember it is, don't look at here inside, don't look at here also. Here also don't see inside, just see only the root. What is the derivative of the root? 1 over 2 root, don't see inside. 1 over 2 root something. This something you write again here, its derivative. That's the answer. If I write its derivative, this is the final answer. Oh, simplification, you get something else. So it is quite simple. It's quite simple, but you have to understand the logic. You take up the same problems, do on a separate white page, and you compare the answers with what you get and what it has been done here. You compare it, and then that way you need practice. I repeat, take a separate white paper, do each problem on your own, and compare the answers with the video. Now let us see the chain rule. The chain rule continuation. Let us see the chain rule continuation. I told you already, the English problems are just they will give you some function. You have to find the derivative. And put the value. That's all. The whole English is nothing. Okay? The whole English is nothing. But what you have to do is, while finding out the derivative, you have to use the appropriate formula. What are the four formulas you have? One is direct formula, n into x power n minus 1. Another is product rule, f multiply g. Another is Gisma rule, f divided by g. And the fourth one is the chain rule, n u power n minus 1 darb u prime. N u power n minus 1 multiply u prime. Here it is, nt is equal to 100 into 64, 40, 2 power 3. Here you should use, see how fast. Fast means the derivative speed. So the derivative will be 100 sawa, whose Gabil, whose Nagaswahat, and this number again will come here dash. U power 2 over 3, u power 2 over 3 minus 1, and this u will come again here with dash derivative. So 200 over 3, 64 plus 40, 2, 3 minus 1 is minus 1, 3, 64 derivative is 0, 40 derivative is 4. Again you multiply 800 over 3, 64, 40, because minus not allowed, so you make it plus. So this is the derivative. After finding out the derivative, how fast was the center membership increasing initially t is equal to 0. Put t equal to 0, this is 68. How fast was it the 40th week? 40th week means n dash t is equal to 40. N dash t is equal to 40. You just put it 43.9. You cannot have this because we are talking about the members in a fitness club. You cannot have nus nafar, half nafar, 0.7 person, 0.7 man like that. So you have to increase it to next number. 43.9 is 44, 66.7 is 68. And other thing is not really required. It is to make you understand. I told you how much is the regular one, like that. That is without derivative, what are the numbers? Without the derivative, what are the 40th week? If you put 40 here in the formula, in the original formula, So you get some answer which is 3689 members are there in the 40th. That is how fast it is increasing. Let us do one more problem. The total number of jobs outsourced. Outsourced means giving the job outside the company. So that means I give the job to somebody else and he will do it. Suppose our car mechanic is we are giving our car for car mechanism and he will do it, and the evening he will deliver the car. That is called outsourcing. So we gave somebody the job to do it instead of we ourselves doing it, or we ask the mechanic to come to our house and do the job. Instead of that, we gave the car to the mechanic shop and then he will do it and in his workshop. That is called outsourcing. So like Royal Commission outsourced us, that is now we are teaching from home. That means no need to go to the college and then teach. So we are teaching from the horse means the job is outsourced. So I can teach either from my home here or from my home in India also. I can teach it. So either way it is. So that's called outsource. That is giving the job outside, and at the end result only will be given to the company back. The total number of jobs outsourced this is the formula. When 0 to 15, T is equal to 0 means 2000. In the year 2000, this outsourcing started. That is why T is equal to 0 is 2000. 15 years it is talking. NT is measured in millions. How fast? See this? How fast means derivative. The number of jobs outsourced in 2005. T is equal to 0, 2000 means T is equal to 2005 will be T is equal to 5. 2010 means T is equal to 10. So find the derivative. Here what is the derivative? Whose gabil, whose nagaswahat. T power u power n is the formula. So find out the derivative. Here is the constant Savasava. Whose gabel 2.5, whose nagaswahat 2.5 minus 1. The same T plus 1 5 derivative you should write it here. Maratani, you multiply these two. T plus 5 to the power 2.5 minus 1 is 1.5. T derivative is 1, 5 derivative is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 insa. So this is the derivative. After finding the derivative, 2005 means T is equal to 5. Put it T is equal to 5. Use calculator. These many jobs. You cannot have nose job, ruba job like that. So you have to increase it to 62 will become 63 jobs outsourced. Similarly, T is equal to 10 means 2010. T is equal to 0, 2000 means T is equal to 10 will be 2010. Put it in the derivative. 10 plus 5 to the power 1.5. You get this much answer. You cannot have nose 0.9 jobs. So you make it 98 to 99 jobs outsourced. So this finishes chain rule. The marginal function, you need another separate video for this. I will do it.